That would suck if it just exploded in my face.
Worst day ever.
Worst day ever. Wow. See the fuse that goes around it? And then the styrofoam and all the powders inside. And then this has to feed into some type of explosive, like an M80 or something. First, we're gonna blow this one up, then we'll get another one, take it apart, and then we can see what's inside of it. But for now, let's get this one exploded.
You okay?
I'm good. Why did I stand on that side? Ah.
That was 3,400 frames per second.
Whoa. It looked like something off of Star Wars where it's like the planet explodes and it just explodes from the center and the fire goes out. That's what hit my face. Yeah, Death Star.
And the planet from the new Force Awakens movie.
Oh my gosh. And so now this one, we are going to take off the styrofoam and really dig into it and hope that it doesn't explode on us. And if it does, it does. This is so funny.
I'm scared.
You're turning your head.
All right?
No, I'm good. I've been hit in the face with fire.
Be careful.
Okay, let's dump some of that out, maybe.
There's a lot. Smell good?
Oh, oh, no.
I guess two can play that game. I had nothing to do with that, just so you know, Dan.
Hopefully it's just... This is the exact same powder that you get in an actual fire extinguisher. If you go watch that video of ours, once we open it up and the pressure was out of it, this is exactly what came out.
Oh man.
That's it. So the little wires go in. This must be full of some kind of dynamite or explosive powder. Black tape is on it. We need to take the black tape off. Look at that. There's the fuses that go into it. They feed in both ways, so it's all connected. Whether you lit either side, it's gonna go into this little part right there. There's the black powder.
Same thing you see in all the fireworks.
So,
That's it.
I think that you should light that. That you should light
I
it.
think I should light the end of this fuse and let it come up and get to that. If you know anything about explosives, when it's not contained and wrapped up really tight, it's not going to explode. It should just like sparkle. That's it. Fizzle a little bit, maybe. And if not, we'll have it on camera that we blew ourselves up again. It's hard for it to light, just fire extinguisher powder is coming out of it. There we are. It's going.
Get ready, Lincoln.
Here it comes to the powder. Woo!
It's like a magic show.
It's a cloud.
Ta-da!
That was great. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to the exact ones that we bought. Lincoln and Devin are working on a really cool project that you guys are gonna have to wait to see. It's gonna be a little while longer, right?
Couple months, one of the biggest things we've ever done. We spent a couple years already working on it, and Lincoln is actually a story.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
That's it. I said too much. I said too much already.
Said too much. Just shut it off. Just shut it off.
If it's already come out and you're watching this video like a few months or however long it is after we publish this video, I'll put a link in the description to what in the world we're talking about. That was great.
Look at the market.
Devin,
We survived. No one got blown up.
thanks for your
Too
help.
bad.
I don't think we broke the cameras.
Look at this. It's totally stained.
Yeah, that's gonna leave a mark.